Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to share with you the exercises to lift up this area, and I am Rachna. If you are watching me for the first time, I'm 41 years old. I make skincare videos, facial exercises and sometimes hair care videos too. So if that sounds interesting to you, do subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and do like this video if you like whatever I share with you today. So a lot of you have been commenting in this video, that is one of the most loved videos that you have been loving. I shared with you the laugh line exercises, and in that a lot of you were asking about jowl exercises. So here I am with your this thing request. And with that, if you are my regular subscriber and wondering like what happened to the other videos about products and all, so don't worry, they are in the testing phase, as due to the lockdown I could not get my hands on different products, and eventually down the line I am going to share with you a lot of reviews, good products which will be worth your money and time. So but today's video is all about lifting up this area. So the very first thing that you have to do is whenever you start doing any exercise is always warming up your face or your body. So for face, what you do is you take your hands like that and you start tapping your face for improving the blood circulation, to warming up it up, and this is what you will do for around 30 seconds. And you can always warm up here also, no harm in that. In fact, in yoga, in pranayama or something like that, or face yoga I would say, they do recommend doing this in the very first thing in the morning, as it improves blood circulation. It helps in reducing the puffiness that you might have around your face as soon as you wake up. So this is what you can do, and around the eye area also you can do with the help of ring finger like that. Tap it in a very light motion like that, and it will improve the blood circulation. I love doing the same thing around my chin area, and you will see for yourself when you do it on your own that it instantly improves the blood circulation. So what you have to do is keep your hands like that and start tapping your chin with this, like this, as I'm showing you here, for around 30 seconds. And you can do it in different motions, like sometimes I'll do like this, sometimes like this. It will in fact help you in firming up this area. And these days, because of being at home and eating a lot during lockdown, I have also gained some weight, and that's the reason my jaw is not that defined anymore as it was earlier, but still. So now that you have warmed up your face and muscles, what you're going to do is next you can take your knuckles like that and massage a little bit around this area. This is the muscle that we will be working on, this one and these connecting here. So you can improve your blood circulation again by doing this in circular motion like that. And this exercise will not only help in your jowl area, it will in fact tone your cheeks also. So if you are having a lot of issues around laugh lines and all, that will also be lifted up with these exercises. And with that you can always try my other exercises that I shared with you earlier. So let's start with the exercise now. So what you have to do is, in this, first thing you have to do is you have to open up your mouth like this, and then you have to fold in the lips. Like you have to cover your teeth with your lips like this, as I'm showing you right now. And then you have to move this lower jaw like up and down motion you have to do while keeping your mouth open like this, as I'm showing you here. So what you do is open up your mouth, and now while doing this you will go up slowly and then you will come down, and you will keep on repeating the same step, and then eventually you will do it for the other parts of your neck also. How to do that I'm going to share with you, so keep watching. So first thing, you open your mouth, like this, and then you look a little away, like this side. Again, you're going to open your mouth like that. You can feel the stretch around this area. This area you will feel for yourself when you do it. And then tilt your head a little bit more around this area, this side, and then again. You can feel and see this area working with, meantime that I am working my face, this muscle, and with that this area is also getting worked up. Similarly, coming to the center, you will be doing for this area again, this side. And again, stay in it. You'll immediately feel these muscles working hard, and you will see these will start hurting actually. And so they do say that whenever you are doing any facial exercise or normal exercise, if it hurts, that means it is working for you. Then after that, what you have to do is, in the initial phase, like when you start doing these exercises, do only one time, like complete the whole round around this area and this area like that. For one time you have to do it. The next week or so you can do it twice, and then you can eventually do thrice, and don't do more than that. Do it only 3 times. That will be more than enough, because doing excess of exercise can also cause a lot of excess of wear and tear, so don't do that. And keep on doing it consistently. I can already feel this area hurting, and this will improve your cheeks and will tone up your jowl area, and this muscle will become strong, which actually holds the whole face structure around this area, and you won't feel the sagging and all. So I hope you guys liked it, you found it helpful. Do try it and do give me the feedback in comment section below, or if you have any other questions or any other requests, you can comment down below. To like this video if you liked it, so that more people can see this video, and with that, do subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.